Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to AI for Good, all year, always online. I'm Charlotte Kahn, presenting AI for Good Perspectives. AI for Good is a year-round digital platform where AI innovators and problem owners learn, build, and connect to identify practical AI solutions to advance the UN SDGs. AI for Good Perspectives offer expert insights, global visions, and shared solutions from the AI for Good community. Today, we bring you Wei Meng, who is Director of Standard and Open Source Planning at ZTE. Hello, Wei Meng. Thank you for joining us. Now, AI has been applied in certain fields and more in various applications. From your perspective and understanding, what stage is AI currently in?
Following the two climaxes of AI development in the 20th century, deep learning has set off the third wave of AI with its outstanding performance in automatic feature extraction. However, my understanding is that AI is still in its infancy. At present, AI is mainly used in perception technologies such as language, image, and text. Besides of these, its applications in other fields is still very limited. However, from 2020, we are happy to see AI has COVID-19 prevention. In the prevention and the control stage of COVID-19, based on the big data of COVID-19 patients, an organization has proposed a set of machine learning algorithms that can identify the asymptomatic infections and the super spreader of the population who are most likely to be COVID-19 patients. I think this is very good for prevention and control for the epidemic. So from this perspective, AI also has more and broader potential application scenarios.
Now, as we all know, AI and 5G are two of the hottest technologies in the world currently, and more people are paying attention to the integration of 5G and AI. So what sparks can these two technologies make together?
Oh, okay, good question. As we know, AI and 5G are exactly the two hottest technologies in today's world. With the commercialization of 5G, telecommunication operators are facing huge challenges. So the traditional operation and maintenance methods are difficult to adapt to the huge network scale, complex network structure, and the surge of network traffic, and so on. So the use of AI can enable the network to achieve high efficiency to operation and maintenance, and make traffic predictable and make marketing accurate. AI must be a key feature in the future network. So in 2018, we initiated a new focus group, Machine Learning 5G in ITUT, and we submitted a recommendation on how to evaluate the intelligence level of the future network. In this document, we define 6 levels, from level 0 to level 5, from full manual to full automated. I think this is also a roadmap for the evolution of network.
And last, what do you think is the future of AI?
That's amazing. In the future, I think the future should be a fantasy, but it might be true. Recently, brain-computer interface is a very amazing technology. A brain-computer interface is an interactive platform between the brain and an external device. Brain imaging technologies are integrated with brain-computer interface system to capture electrical signal sent by human brain. So how can AI impact on human society? There are some imaginations. The first, that is the good news, the robot will keep us safer from disaster. The second, we will become cyborgs, and maybe we will turn us into Superman. And the third, I think AI may solve more and more problems, even change the climate. And the last is not the good news. Robots will take away most of our jobs. But don't worry, the future is coming. Let us be full of expectation.
Wei Meng, thank you very much for the inspiring discussion. Stay tuned for more from AI for Good all year, always online.